Well, hello, fifth grade. It's Miss H. It's Friday. No, it's not Friday. It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday morning. Ha. Or is it Sunday? April 1st? I don't know. What do you guys think? April 1st? It is a Wednesday. Surprise! I'm not pulling a prank on you, but it is kind of funny when we think about how crazy our schedules are lately. I'm just shifting this away from the sun because I'm actually making this video. Oh, see, you can see up there and see some of my pretties. Anyway, I'm making this video for you for Wednesday morning, April 1st, and we are going to look at a short grammar lesson today, the progressive tenses, which is on page number 92. Basically, all that we're doing in this lesson is we're adding a helping verb in front of an ing form of the main verb. And the helping verb will determine if it's present, future, or past progressive. The ing form of a verb, ing ending, oftentimes, hold on just a minute, who is that? Someone's calling. So basically, sorry for that interruption. When you don't know who it is, you don't answer, just like you don't talk to strangers, right, guys? You're old enough, you know all that. Anyway, we're looking at the present progressive tense, and it says that progressive tenses consist of a form of the verb be, which is am, is, are, was, and were, and the present participle, which is the ing form of the main verb. So to form the present progressive, we need to use a present tense helping verb of the form be, like is or are. And then we know that that is going to be talking about something that's happening now. So it's used for ongoing actions. Like if we're doing something right now, that would, and it's continuing, that would be an ongoing action. Present progressive tense uses a form, present tense form of the verb am, is, or are, and the present participle. So my mother is cooking a pot roast for dinner. That means it's happening now and it's ongoing. The past progressive tense tells what happened in the past. It uses part of the verb form be, which is past tense, like was or were, and then the ing form of the verb again as the participle. We were eating our roast when the doorbell rang, kind of like I was starting your lesson when the phone rang. How dare they? Strangers from Hadley. And the future progressive tense tells about something that will happen in the future. The future progressives use will, is going to, or are going to with be, and the present participle. So, for instance, mom will be serving leftover pot roast tomorrow. She is going to be preparing several vegetables also. So, those are all things that will happen in the future. And then we have a few things where you can double check on the bottom. So the first one says, I was looking for new pot roast recipes. Was looking is the verb phrase, and because it has was, that's past tense, so it makes it past progressive. I am making a spicy side dish tonight. Am making is our verb phrase, and because am is in the present tense, am making means it's present progressive. And the last one, my sister will be reading the recipe as I mix the ingredients. Will be reading means it's happening in the future, so that's future progressive. Now, your assignment is page number 93, exercise 1 only. And it asks for you to find the verb phrase in the progressive form and then label it either present, past, or future progressive. So in number 1, we were planning our meals for the week yesterday. The verb phrase is were planning, and because it has were, that means past tense. So our answer is were planning, past progressive. That is your assignment, and this is due on Thursday. So God's blessings to you.